In this video, we take a look at the Afrikaans word enkel. Enkel means ankle. Enkel also means single. Single as in not in a relationship, or single as in a single piece of clothing or a single piece of food. Enkelis, enkelis, a few or one or two of any particular thing or people. Hoeveel mense het geslaag? Hoeveel mense het geslaag? That means how many people passed. Your answer in Afrikaans will then be enkelis, which translates to a few or a select few, meaning only here and there, only like one here and one there, enkelis. A enkele blom, a single flower. Een enkele geval, an isolated instance or case. Binne enkele secondes, within seconds. Enkel bed, single bed. Enkel spel, often a word we use in connection to tennis, and that means single play or singles game. Enkel verdieping, single story.